the top of the stair, I need a landing tread. I need a landing tread, and as you can see right here, they got this, and it's a landing tread. It's on top of the stair. But this house, that my landing tread is with this, and then it's just 1 inch away. So I don't want to waste my money and cut this, because this is $8 a square foot. So this is 3 feet. That's $24 already just for this. Somehow I happen to have a one inch also right here, but it's not perfectly, because I actually cut a 1 inch out off one of the deck, you know, the deck, when I'm building a deck. But it's very convenient, but it's 1 inch, and it's 1 inch, and I can use it. Yeah, I can use this 1 inch. It's 1 inch, but I can use it. Yeah, it's not perfectly, but we're gonna put laminate floor on top of it anyway. So even when you buy it, you can see right there they actually glue it. Okay. Now I do my landing tread. You can see this way. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Perfect. That's a little bit long, but we'll cut that anyway. So perfect size, 36.5 that I actually made at the cut for the landing tread. So all you need to do, put the glue. So you make your own landing tread. Doesn't have to be, even if you 4 inch, 5 inch, 10 inch. And you put it over here also. All you need to do is glue it together. All you need to do is put it together and then glue them both on. Then clamp them. Slide it. Done. Let me get another clamp for the middle. if you want to get it perfect, make sure you get since this is so, make sure you get another oak wood in there to make it look perfect. Or else, to me, just do it the same way. I'm just going to clamp in the middle. Okay. And that's how you do a landing strip. Okay. After I install it, I'm going to show you. After it dry. Landing thread. Okay. Set it somewhere. Okay, as you can see, the landing thread is usually this one. Instead of cutting it all the way here for me to do the original landing thread. No, not the original. This is the original landing thread. In order to do it's about 5 1/4. Okay, the landing thread here is 5 1/4. So what I got here by making it, because I didn't need 5 1/4, I needed 1 3/4. That's all I need. So basically, that's what I'm going to do. See, that's all I'm going to do. Is that perfect fit here? All I need is another inch of the nose. Okay, for the landing thread. So basically, I like to glue it also. So other people just shoot the nail straight in, but glue it. Make sure everything's solid. Yeah, that's all. Just glue it where the thread's at. Oh shoot. Okay. And voila. See where you glue it? Now I can shoot the nail straight in. Watch your finger when you shoot this, because this is I'm shooting a 2.5 inch nail. It won't go through that. It doesn't matter if it's 5 inch, 6 inch, and you do the same way, because just use the same kind of wood. Because me, I'm not using kind of wood because whatever's left over, whatever's available for me, that's what I use. But instead, like sometimes you have more than 5 1/2, and which is you extend it right here, so 4 inch. All you guys 4 inch there. There's a notch right here, so all you guys 4 inch. So sometimes you need 6 inch. What you gonna do? Gotta do my way. Okay? Alright, thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe. I appreciate it.